If you want to create a standout new business pitch, you've got to get two things right. First of all, it's got to be empathetic. What do I mean by that? You've got to understand the person you're talking to, the company you're talking to, their problems, their issues, and make sure that there's a feeling that you're on the same page. And the second part of it is problem solving. Even if you're selling a product, it's about what does that do for the client? How is it going to help their business? You get those two things right, and this is the hard bit. But if you get those two things right, you're much more likely to create a really powerful new business pitch.
When we're working with people who are pitching for new business, it's really obvious when it's going to be effective. And what stands out is that the preparation has been done. They've thought really carefully about who the audience is for this new business offering and precisely why it's going to benefit that audience. It's answering the question, what's in it for me?